Hi first grade, it's Mrs. Avanzato here. I am going to show you how you can access some pretty cool animal ebooks. And ebooks are books that show up on your screen. You can't actually hold the book in your hands, you'll turn the pages on your screen. So the first thing you're going to need to do is go to Follett Destiny. So I have a link here in your choice board for Follett Destiny. It's going to be the blue circle. So you're going to click that. And if you need to, you can click this little link. And then you need to choose our school. So over here are the elementary schools. It says 4th and 5th grade center, Hereford Elementary, and Marlboro Elementary. Well, we go to Marlboro Elementary, so we'll click there. Now, this is the most important part to remember. You might be tempted to click first grade, but that's not where I want you to go today. Today, I want you to go to the catalog. And the catalog is something that holds lots of pieces of information. Ours is a book catalog, so it holds lots of pieces of information about books. So I clicked catalog. Then over here on the left, there are 3 choices. You are going to click resource lists. You can remember that because you are looking for a list of animal books. So you're going to look for that word list because you're looking for a list of animal books. There will be a list that pops up here that says first grade animal ebooks. That's for you. That's where you're going to go. Then you can scroll down and choose the animal ebook that you would like to read about today. So there's lots of different choices, and when you're interested in finding, and when you have found one that you would like to read, you can go ahead and click on the book. And you'll need to click open. This is a book that opens on your screen, so you have to tell it that you would like it to open. Now, it's going to ask for your username and password. This is username, this is password. Your username is going to be the word books. Your password is going to be the word books. This is how you spell the word books. If you need to pause the video right now and write this down, you are more than welcome to pause the video and write down the word books so that you know how to spell it when the time comes. All right, so I'm going to type in books for my username and books for my password. Now notice when I type in the password, they come up as just little dots, so you have to make sure you're spelling it correctly. Then click the blue box that says Submit. And your book will open. Everything you see on the screen will be everything that you would see if you actually had the print book in your hands. So you can turn the pages by touching the arrows. And, oh, I should have talked to you about that. There is the table of contents, so if there's something that you're interested in learning about, you can see what page each one of those topics shows up on. And you would just start reading the book as normal. Turn the page when you're ready. Turn the page when you're ready. And there are some cool options that I would like to show you. Most of the books do speak for you. So I'm clicking my screen to get my tools to pop up. There they go. And if I click this little play button, it should read for me. Now it does not know that this is a period and that these are page numbers. So it does tell you that there is a point and a page number. If you are using the reading feature, it's just probably because you're stuck on a word or two. So it does highlight where it's reading. I'll show you one more time. And it doesn't sound wonderful. It is just a little robot reading, but that is a tool that you can use if you're struggling with a word or two. It can tell you what those words mean. So you just continue reading through the book. And you can stop and write down facts as you need. And when the book is over, it closes and you can click Close Book. Now, if you're interested in reading more animal ebooks, you'll have to find your tab up here to get to the resource list. And if you're stuck, you can always just go back to resource list and click first grade animal ebooks again. So I'm going to show you all of those steps just one more time. So you're going to click Follett Destiny from your choice board, Marlboro Elementary, Catalog, that's the hardest part to remember, and then Resource Lists. Then click First Grade Animal Ebooks. There's your list of animals that you can choose from. You can click on the title of one. This is parrots. Click Open. And we need our username and password, which is books and books. Oh, wrong tab. There we go. Books. Books. And my ebook will open and I can read about parrots. All right, I hope that you have fun and enjoy that.